in this video I'm going to be showing you how to resize your images for your website, right? Because the sizes of your image or the size of your images actually affects the speed of your website. Okay, so that is the reason for this video, because it's going to help you for your search engine optimization. All right, so let's go. Let me show you what to do. Now the application we're going to be using here, or the website we're going to be using here, is known as canva.com. Now Canva has a lot of functions, right? But the main function, or the main thing we're going to be looking at here, is how to resize your images. All right, so let's just type in canva.com. When you type in Canva, you just, for me it's already giving it .com because I've been using it. So you just hold on for it to load, hold on for it to load. Let's just hold. All right, so this is the application, this is Canva, this is the website, the official website. Okay, so at this point, when you look at, there are a lot of things you can do. If you check it well, you see I've been doing designs with Canva. I've been resizing images, a lot of things. So when you look here, you see a lot of things we have done with Canva, right? But for you, this space might be blank. All right, then you just see just some templates and stuff like that. You can actually do videos, you know, with Canva. Okay, but what we're going to be doing is just for us to resize our images. You can do logos with Canva as well. So if you just come here, if you want to create or resize your image, you just click on create design, create a design. All right, when you click on create a design, they'll give you a lot of things. You see whiteboard, presentation, video, Instagram post, and so on, even Pinterest post. In fact, a lot of things. Okay, now what you have to do is, if you want to do a logo, you see here, you see they'll give you the logo size, and when you click on it, they'll give you different logo templates, which you can just pick one and you edit. All right, and you're good to go. Okay, but what we're going to be looking at here is, for we want to resize images to fit on our website. For example, let me show you something here on this side. All right, so when you come to this site, look at what is happening. You see there is a full image here. This image has a size. Okay, then this, because this is a section, this is a single column section. Now when you go down, let's go down to this side. When you go down, you come here, you see this is a column, a section with two different columns. This is a column here, and this is another column here, the one carrying the image, right? Then this is a single section with one column. So if you want to put this image here, this image is a half image, right? Because this is a full image, this is a full length image. This one here with this blue on it. All right, but this one here is a half image, right? Then this is another half. If you put another image here, it's going to be another half, right? Now in a case where you want to put three images in a row, maybe you take one section with three columns. You understand what I mean, right? One section with three columns, maybe one, another section, then another section here. Those images will also have their own sizes. It's not going to be the same like this half image, right? Those images are 3/4 images. Each of them is 3/4. If you want to put four, which one is going to be a quarter, they also have their own sizes. Now I'll put those sizes in the description, in this video description. All right, so that is going to help you if you want to resize your images. All right, because the smaller the sizes of your images, the faster your website. If you pick some big images and just throw them anyhow on your website, then it's going to slow down your website. It's really going to slow down your website. And if you don't resize your images as well, just imagine the way your website is going to look like. Maybe some images are just too big, some are just too small. Like you put a long image, for example, you put a long image on this particular section, maybe an image that leaves from here right down, and in fact really too long, it's not really going to make sense, right? So I'm going to show you, I'm going to link those sizes. I'll put those sizes in the video description so that it will actually help you. So let's go back to Canva. Right, here we're on Canva, this Canva. Now if you want to resize your image, you just come to this custom size. All right, click on this plus icon down here, custom size, Now you enter the sizes. If you want to enter a half image has its own size. Like it's not actually a particular size, like a fixed size. Okay, they have ranges. Some people tell you maybe it's from maybe half an image is actually maybe 1200 pixels by maybe 800 pixels. Some people tell you maybe it's 900 pixels by 600 pixels, 620 or 640. So they have a range which you have to consider, which your size must actually fall within this range. Okay, now let's say I want to do an image of maybe 700 by, let's just say 520 for example. This is just an example, okay? But for the sizes, I already said I will put them in the video, in the description of this video. Okay, so when you just put these sizes, just click on create new design. Let's just hold on for this new interface to load, or this new window. Let's hold on for it to load. Network. Alright guys, so this is what we have. Okay, so at this point, when you put any size, when you take a size, there must be some templates available for you. Alright, if in case you want to do a design of, let's say, a certificate, and you enter that size and they give you a certificate, you can just pick this template and you edit. Alright, but now that's not what we are interested in. We are interested in resizing our images. When you look on your left, the left of your screen, you see here, you see design elements. Maybe you see upload, you see text, you see projects. Projects is actually the ones you have done, the projects you have done. You see photos, you see background, you see apps. All right, so when you come here, it depends on whatever you want to do. Right, if you want to make a design to use on your website, you want to make a design of an image and use on your website, it's possible. Right? You just come to elements, you can pick elements, upload image, pick your image, and maybe the image you have removed the background, and you work on it and upload on your website. Very possible, right? But that's already a part of graphic design. But what we want to do here is for us to upload our image and resize it. But I'll still go a little bit into doing something like maybe you want to use on your website. But firstly, let's see how to resize our image. So you just come here on upload. Let's upload our image. So you can, when you go on upload, if you'll be using Canva, you actually see the images you have been uploading. But now let me show you how to upload directly from your computer. Maybe you've downloaded some images from the internet, and there are sites to actually get good quality images for free. All right, you don't just go, if you go on Google and Google download, just go on Google directly and you type in the kind of images you want, you download. Most at times when you try to resize those images, like as you drag them, let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's just bring in this one. Now, most of the times when you download images directly from Google, when you drag them like this to resize, at times they are blur. All right, you will not be able to get good quality. So there are sites where you can download images, like on Splash. There are Pixabay and so on. There are a lot of sites where you can get images. I'll still leave those sites in the video description, right, so that they will help you. Okay, so just come here to upload files, click on upload files. Now you come to your file where you actually save the video which you downloaded. Let's just pick one of these images. Let's just bring in this one again. All right, now let's hold on. So you see this is the image loading here. You just click and the image will come here. Now for you to resize the image, if you want to move the image around, you just left click and hold, then carry it, maybe you put it here and you hold this section, you enlarge it. Right, now if you want to put different images, it depends on you, depends on what you want. All right, so you just click, hold on this corner, left click, hold and drag. All right, now if you hold on this corner, it will work only for this side. You're taking the image just for this side, like you're taking the image horizontally. Okay, if you take this side, you're taking the image just vertically. Now but if you hold on this side, you're dragging the entire image, you're enlarging the entire image. Now when you enlarge this image, you see where it is. Now this down section is still empty, so you then hold it here now and you fill it. All right, so you see it's actually okay. Now it's actually taking the size which you want. So from here now, what you need to do is you need to save your image. All right, for you to save your image, all you need to do is you just click on the share, click on this button here. This, you see this arrow was showing up with this share, just click on it, then you go down, just scroll down, you see download, click on download, and you see here you can actually select the kind of image, like how do you want to save that image. Is it a PDF, is it something you want to print? But I'll just leave it as PNG. All right, I'll leave it as PNG, then I'll just click on download. Now you hold on for it to be saved on your computer. So you see this is the image here, it has been saved. All right, at the bottom left corner of my screen. So you see it has been saved. From here now you can pick it and use on your website. All right, so that is how you resize your images, for maybe images for your website, okay, or whatsoever you want to use, maybe social media platforms, maybe anything. Okay, that's how you resize the image. There are different website or software which you can use to resize images. Okay, so it depends on you. Now let me show you how maybe you want to do a little design to use on your site. All right, you don't want to maybe resize just an image, you want to bring in some shapes, do something different and maybe use on your site. You just come here, click on elements. When you click on elements, you see different elements, different things which you can just bring in and use on your site. Now let's just click on this one. So you see this is a gradient, this is a gradient shape. All right, maybe you want to do something, you want to make something stylish and use on your site. So let me just try to rotate this. So you see, maybe you want to bring something different again. I just want to show you how you can get maybe a particular result which you don't want to, maybe it's not an, you just want to do maybe resize an image, you want to do something different. So this is how you do it. You know, these are elements, you have different elements here, but you need to be a little bit creative. All right, this is not a graphic design training or a graphic design video, but it's just a video to resize images. I'm just taking the advantage to show you different elements which you can use maybe to create something to use on your site. So that's just what you need to do. If you want to bring in images, you just go on upload, do the same thing we did, and you bring your image here, maybe image without a background. If you want to remove image from a background, there are actually software. There is a software known as remove.bg which you can actually use to remove image from your background. Bring it here and do the design which you want, then follow the same process, click here and go to download, then you download your design. All right, so guys, that is it for this video. Stay tuned. The next video I'll be showing you how to optimize your site properly, do the setups and everything on your site, right? So guys, let's go. Stay tuned, and guys, stay tuned for the next video, and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you will not miss out any video, right? So you don't miss out any video, because I post videos on web development and other stuff, right? So stay tuned, subscribe, and do make sure you hit the notification icon so that you always be notified each time I post a new video. So guys, see you in the next video.